previous view you have already learned how to make font words, how to make font words. You have already learned. So now she will learn the glue point, using the glue point. Firstly, I'll make another slide. Now I have another slide. That glue point is used when you draw the shapes. You can choose these glue points tools. For example, please draw like this. Now I'm drawing by using these shapes, and then I'll draw another one. Okay, I'll draw this. I'll draw another one, and then please choose. Shall we use the glue points? So we should choose glue points, and then please choose insert the glue point. Insert the glue points, and then please choose, for example, here, and then I'll do here glue points. Okay, and then I'll use the connector. For example, and then please click from the glue point to like this. So that's easily to connect your shapes. That's called using the glue points. I believe you may understand. That's all using the glue